Timelines and date relevance when it comes to posts. Let's head over to our post section. As you can see, after we click our post page, in the left menu, we'll see a drop-down navigation with the options of seeing all posts, add posts, and categories and tags. When you're dealing with a post, they are time-stamped and have a publish date. As you can see, date. They can include the author, categories, and tags. Posts are useful for creating a timeline and archive. Now let's check out what pages offer. Pages are not time sensitive. Generally, the date won't be published, but you have an internal date where you can track when and who the page was created by. So that's why you'll also see author here. But the page generally does not display the author or the date, versus a post where the author and the date generally are displayed. Now, why create a page? When to create a page versus a post? If the information on the page will remain unchanged for long periods of time, you want to go with the page. This would include an about page, home page, a contact page, a resources page, a privacy notice page. Anything that needs to be static and consistent needs to be a page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.